Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be covering how we can add columns to our Microsoft Word document. So all you got to do to add columns on your Word document is just come over here to the Layout tab on your ribbon, come over here to Columns, and hit the drop down. And then once you do that, you have a few different options that are available to you in this preview GUI. So you have 2, you have 3, you have left, you have right. So let's go ahead and select 2 and see what happens. Okay, so you can see once we selected 2, it added 2 columns throughout our entire document here. Now, if we come back over here and we hit the drop down again and come over here to more columns, we actually have the option to be able to add even more than 2 or more than 3 or more than 4. And with that, we can also adjust the width of each column, the spacing of each column. You can get as creative as you want to be. And you can see you can also change it too if you want to be able to add this to the whole document or maybe just this point forward. And in addition to that, you can also add this option here, which is the line between. So if we go ahead and select this, now you can see we have this clean line break that's between the 2 columns. Now, we don't have it down here because we don't have 2 columns yet, but once we do, then we would have that line break there as well. So this adds some division between the 2 columns so it's clear to the reader. This is where one column begins, this is where one ends. And in another video, we're actually going to be covering sections as well so that you can get as creative as you want to. So maybe on the same page, you want to be able to add 1 column up here, 2 columns over here, 3 columns over here, 4 columns down here. So with sections, it definitely makes it a little bit easier, and we'll cover that in another video.